Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging. This lets your PC talk to the device. Next, install Android SDK platform tools so you have the Adb binary available. Once done, connect the phone with a USB cable and run Adb devices to confirm the device ID appears. If it does not, make sure drivers or MTP mode are correct. This initial USB step establishes the secure Adb trust handshake required before any wireless steps. You now switch Adb to TCP/IP mode by running Adb TCPIP 5555. This instructs the device to listen on that port. After that, obtain the device IP from settings or with a DB shell IP editor so you can target the correct address. Then, on your computer, run Adb Connect device IP 5555 and watch for the connected confirmation. Once connected, unplug the USB cable and verify Adb devices shows the IP. This to finalize, test common Adb commands like Adb shell and Adb install. You should be fully functional over Wi-Fi. If it drops, run Adb reconnect or Adb connect again, and make sure both device and PC are on the same network with good signal because roaming or guest networks often block local ports. If you need to go back to USB, run Adb USB or simply reboot the device. One key tip: if Adb Connect fails, check Firewall and ensure port 5555 is not blocked on your PC or router.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.